In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit contacts in Freshdesk. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to change, and how to save your updates confidently and correctly. First, sign into your Freshdesk account. Open your browser, go to the Freshdesk login page, enter your credentials and click Login. Make sure you're using a profile with permission to edit contacts. If your account uses extra verification, complete that step so you can proceed smoothly. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and select Contacts. This is your central place for managing the people and companies you interact with. If your list is long, use the search bar at the top to find a contact by name, email, or phone. Filters can help you quickly narrow results by company or other attributes. Next, open the contact you want to update by clicking the contact's name. Take a quick moment to confirm you're viewing the right person, especially if there are similar names. You'll see the profile details, recent activity, and any associated tickets. At the top of the contact page, click the Edit button. If you don't see it, you may be on a read-only view or may need additional permissions from your admin. Now, update the fields you need. You can adjust the email address, phone numbers, name, company, address, time zone, language, and tags. When changing an email, double-check for typos because it's often used as a unique identifier. For phone numbers, include the correct country code for consistency. If you link the contact to a company, choose the correct company record so reporting and ticket associations stay accurate. Keep the address consistent with your organization's formatting standards. Set the time zone carefully. It can affect time-stamped communications and internal reporting. Choose the language that aligns with how your team communicates or how the contact prefers to receive notifications. Use tags to group or segment contacts. Add clear, descriptive tags to make searches and automation rules more effective. If your workspace has custom fields, fill them in according to your team's guidelines to maintain clean, reliable data. When you're done, click Update Contact to save your changes. Give it a second to process, then confirm the updated details appear correctly on the profile. If something looks off, click Edit again and adjust. You can return to the contacts list or continue editing other profiles as needed. That's it for editing contacts in Freshdesk. If this was helpful, don't forget to keep your data tidy by reviewing key fields regularly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.